Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. Hi, I am Apurvi and on this channel I share delicious eggless baking recipes. Today we are making Aam Panna Sorbet, a perfect refreshment for this scorching summer. This recipe serves 3 to 4 people. Start by peeling and chopping 150 gram of raw mangoes. This weight is measured after removing the seed. Slice the mangoes into half, remove the seed and then slice them further. Next, boil some water in a pan. Once it's boiling, add the mango slices and cook until they are soft. You can check if they are done by inserting a knife. It should cut through easily. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified of new recipes. Once the mango slices are soft, transfer them to a bowl and let them cool to room temperature. Then add 15 to 18 spearmint leaves, pudina, 36 gram of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder, jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, kala namak. Blend everything into a fine paste. I am using a stick blender, but you can use a fruit processor or a regular blender. Now add 265 ml of chilled water and mix well. Taste and adjust the sugar and salt if needed. Then place the mixture in the freezer for 1 hour to let it freeze slightly. After an hour, take it out and blend again with a stick blender to break any ice crystals. You'll notice the Aam Panna is darker in color if you have boiled the mangoes in a pressure cooker, which is just a variation in the method. Like here in the video, I am showing you the color variation. Repeat the freezing and blending process 2-3 more times, ensuring you break any ice crystal each time. This step is crucial to achieve a smooth sorbet texture instead of an icy one. Finally, pour the half-frozen sorbet into a tin or any utensil you will use to freeze it and freeze it overnight. Our sorbet is now properly frozen and ready to serve. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow. Enjoy this cool drink as a sorbet, where each bite has a refreshing tanginess with a subtle sweetness. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.